Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the hardware ready. Charge the controller, update firmware, and pick wired USB or Bluetooth. Plug in USB or enable pairing mode on the pad. Once the PC detects it, install the needed drivers or Steam/DS for Windows immediately. This first action creates a stable base so games can see the input. Make sure to allow any driver prompts and restart the computer if asked. Once done, you'll have a recognizable controller device in Windows and be ready for mapping next. Next, you configure how the controller behaves. Open Steam Big Picture or DS for Windows and enable controller support. This makes the system translate inputs consistently. Create a profile and map each button and axis deliberately. Assign jump, aim, and menu actions where they feel natural. Adjust stick dead zones and sensitivity so small rests don't drift. Set trigger curves for gradual pressure. Save a separate profile per game if needed. By doing this, input becomes reliable and predictable across titles, which improves aiming and movement control. To finish, test the controller in a game and in a calibration tool. Play for a short session to identify any awkward bindings or sensitivity issues. Tweak the profile and immediately retest. Make sure vibration, triggers, and gyros, if used, work as intended. If the controller isn't recognized, try a different USB port, reinstall drivers, toggle Bluetooth off/on, or relaunch Steam. That resolves most connection faults. One key troubleshooting tip: reconnect the controller after driver reinstall and always test with a simple free game or controller tester.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.